Doodly Fun.
Hello kids! Today we'll learn the numbers 21 to 30. 21. Say it with me.
21.
22. Say it with me.
22.
23. Say it with me.
23.
24. Say it with me.
24.
25. Say it with me.
25.
26. Say it with me.
26.
27. Say it with me.
27.
28. Say it with me.
28.
29. Say it with me.
29.
30. Say it with me.
30. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Doodly Fun channel. See you next time.